what is going to happen when it reaches the throat? Right here, بَلَغَتِ الْحُلْقُومِ. When that soul, when that nafs, when that ruh is leaving, life is leaving, and it's reaching the throat. وَأَنْتُمْ حِينَئِذٍ تَنْظُرُونَ. And you, at that very moment, are going to be staring. You're going to be staring at your children, at your parents, at the wife, at the husband. They're all by the bedside. You can't even speak, and your eyes are like, am I looking at my loved ones for the last time? You're staring at everything. You're saying goodbye to the world. وَنَحْنُ أَقْرَبُ إِلَيْهِ مِنْكُمْ. Now Allah speaks from the other perspective. His loved ones. Allah talks to the loved ones now of the one who's dying. And He says, we're closer to him than you are. You may be holding the dying person's hand. You may be holding your grandfather's hand. You may be holding his head. The child's head might be in your lap. But we are closer than him than you are. نَحْنُ أَقْرَبُ إِلَيْهِ مِنْكُمْ وَلَكِنْ لَا تُبْصِرُونَ. However, you can't even see. فَلَوْلَا إِن كُنْتُمْ غَيْرَ مَدِينِينَ. Then this la is actually going to go down to tarji'unaha. It's actually a very powerful expression, very difficult to translate. I'll put the Arabic in sequence first so you understand what's going on. فَلَوْلَا تَرْجِعُونَهَا إِن كُنْتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. فَلَوْلَا تَرْجِعُونَهَا. It's like that. فَلَوْلَا. Then why don't you? Comma. If in fact, كُنْتُمْ غَيْرَ مَدِينِينَ. If y'all are the kinds of people that are never going to be brought to justice. Madeen comes from the word deen. Deen. You know what deen means, right? Judgment, justice. If you're not going to be brought to account, if that's the case for all of you people, then how come you don't tarji'unaha? Bring it back. The soul has reached the throat. Why don't you push it back down? Just swallow it down. Keep it inside. In kuntum sadiqeen. If in fact you are truthful. فَأَمَّا إِن كَانَ مِنَ الْمُقَرَّبِينَ. Then as for the one who had been from those who were brought close, those who daily and daily he took advantages, she took advantage of all the opportunities Allah had given him or her to get close. فَرَوْحٌ. Then they're going to have mercy. Rawhun. Rawh actually means like rahma is one of the words for rahma. Warayhan is from istiraha, actually, relaxation. They're not only going to enjoy Allah's loving care and mercy, they're going to be relaxed. Relaxed at what time? Death. They're going to be relaxed at death. وَجَنَّةُ نَعِيمٍ. And the only other thing they have to look forward to past that relaxation, the only thing ahead of them, no terror, no horrific scenes, just the Jannah full of bliss. وَأَمَّا إِن كَانَ مِنْ أَصْحَابِ الْيَمِينَ. And as for the one who had been from the people of the right, فَسَلَامٌ لَكَ مِنْ أَصْحَابِ الْيَمِينَ. Then salam unto you from the people of the right. Some interpret the laka to refer to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, meaning on Judgment Day, all the people of the right hand are going to get to say salam personally to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. فَسَلَامٌ لَكَ مِنْ أَصْحَابِ الْيَمِينَ. وَأَمَّا إِن كَانَ مِنَ الْمُكَذِّبِينَ الضَّالِّينَ. The ayat are reversed. Before we saw أَيُّهَا الضَّالُّونَ الْمُكَذِّبُونَ. Now we're seeing al-mukaththibin ad-dallin. What's the significance? This is Judgment Day. This is Judgment Day. The first thing this guy is raised as is someone who called Islam a lie. So as for the one who had been from those who declared Islam a lie, who declared the Prophet and the Quran a lie, then what happens to him on Judgment Day? Is he able to find his way to paradise? He's in darkness. He can't find any light. So he's lost. Ad-dall. Now the lost is a different meaning now. Now this is the physically lost on Judgment Day, can't make his way to salvation. الضالين. فَنُزُلٌ مِّنْ حَمِيمٍ. Then introductory appetizer from scorching flame, from boiling water. وَتَصْلِيَةُ جَحِيمٍ. And then being thrown on top of that into Jahim, the roaring flame. إِنَّ هَذَا هُوَ الْحَقُّ الْيَقِينَ. And no doubt, this in fact is the truth, is what deserves to be convincing. Haqqul yaqeen, you can translate it as the truth that is absolutely convincing. But haqq, in the meaning of istihqaq, if there's anything that deserves to be believed in with absolute conviction, it is this. It's a long phrase, it's a mouthful, but that's haqqul yaqeen. إِنَّ هَذَا لَهُوَ حَقُّ الْيَقِينَ. يعني يستحق اليقين هذا. This deserves to be believed in like nothing else. If you want to have absolute conviction, have it in this. فَسَبِّحْ. Then declare perfection. بِسْمِ رَبِّكَ الْعَظِيمِ. Declare perfection by using the name of your master, or the great name of your master, or your great